Are you prepared to learn how to invest in the stock market in order to build wealth? You're at the perfect place if you've ever wondered how to manage the stock market and make your money work for you. We'll walk you through each step of investing in stocks and creating a secure financial future in this video. We've got you covered on everything from recognizing risk to building a diversified portfolio. For the latest information on all of our wealth-building content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Let's start now. Investing in stocks can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. Educate yourself. Begin by gaining a basic understanding of the stock market and investing principles. Learn about different investment strategies, stock valuation, and risk management. Books, online resources, and courses can be valuable sources of knowledge. Set financial goals. Determine your financial goals and the time horizon for your investments. Are you investing for retirement, buying a house, or funding your children's education? Your goals will influence your investment strategy. Assess risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance, which is your ability to withstand market volatility. Conservative investors may opt for less risky investments, while those with higher risk tolerance may be comfortable with more aggressive strategies. Build an emergency fund. Before investing, establish an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This ensures that you have a financial cushion in case of unexpected events. Create a budget. Establish a budget to manage your income and expenses. This will help you determine how much you can invest regularly without compromising your financial stability. Open an investment account. Choose a reputable brokerage firm or investment platform to open an investment account. Consider factors such as fees, investment options, research tools, and customer service. Diversify your portfolio. Build a diversified portfolio by investing in different sectors, industries, and asset classes. This helps mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Consider diversifying across stocks, bonds, index funds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Conduct research. Before investing in individual stocks, research the companies thoroughly. Analyze their financial performance, competitive position, growth prospects, and management team. Stay updated with news, earnings reports, and industry trends. Start with index funds or ETFs. If you're new to investing, think about starting with inexpensive index funds or ETFs that reflect broad market indices. These lower the risk of investing in individual businesses by giving access to a diversified portfolio of stocks. Dollar cost averaging. Consider dollar cost averaging as an alternative to making a single large investment. Invest a set sum consistently, irrespective of market circumstances. This strategy lessens the effects of market volatility and lowers the possibility of selecting bad investment timing. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. Rebalance your portfolio periodically by adjusting the asset allocation to maintain diversification. Be patient and long-term oriented. Investing in stocks is a long-term endeavor. Avoid chasing short-term market trends and focus on the long-term performance of your investments. Patience, discipline, and consistency are key to building wealth through stock market investing. Remember, investing in stocks carries risks, and it's important to make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're unsure, consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. We appreciate you coming along as we learn about stock investing and accumulating money. We really hope that our advice will help you plan for your financial future. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with people you think may appreciate our stock market advice. For more information on how to build wealth, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Keep in mind that investing requires time and patience. but the benefits can be huge. Go out there right away and take charge of your financial future. Up until then,